Hello, I'm Michael Austin, the Director of Channel Management for Datapath. We are here at InfoComm Asia this week in Bangkok, showing off the latest and greatest with our Aetria solutions. Aetria is Datapath's complete solution for the design, management, and control of control room solutions of any size. We offer the video wall processing that many people have known us for years. We also have our Aligo series of transmitters and receivers to distribute sources through an environment to video walls, to operator desks. We have our more traditional receiver-based KVM solution, as well as a more flexible operator solution that enables operators to open PCs and take control of them, open up web pages, open up IP camera sources, and push those sources onto the video wall. We also are showing off our Aetria Events Engine, which allows operators to control not only the Aetria solution, but any third-party system that is on the network, controlling the audio system, lighting system, the display technology as well. We also have recently released our secure streaming gateway, which allows two Aetria sites to share sources over the internet securely so that end users with multiple sites have much more flexibility and an integrated solution to more efficiently manage their operations. If you're in Bangkok this week, please come and see us at the show. We're at stand H10. Thank you.